With the roll cage on, it's like a wetsuit. Man, look how sturdy that is. And that external lens, look at that. Perfect. It's going to protect the real lens of my camera. Okay, this is the roll cage. You see the little slot here? You can see that it goes all the way through. That's for your speakers here. You see the speaker mic. So that way it won't interrupt your speakers. You get your audio. Also, the lens is detachable, which is the main reason why I got this for the Hero 8. See that? It's raised above, so if there's any damage will be done to the lens cover that comes with the roll cage, not on your unit. You know, the problem with the GoPro Hero Black lens is look how it's recessed. It's part of the unit. It doesn't stick out like the other units, which means that it can have a really bad time during a break or a fall. Once that lens shatters, that's it. You're going to have to send this in. But with the unit I got, which is this one, the roll cage, it comes with an external shield here, so that should help protect any damage that's done. The damage will be done to the external lens on the roll cage and not to your phone. Alright guys, what's good about the GoPro roll cage? This is for daytime use. So daytime use, you notice you're gonna have this screen here. This screen that's part of the roll cage itself will protect the lens. Right, so if it's gonna take a damage, like hits a rock or something hits this is gonna crack the outer part, which is just a detachable lens. The inner lens will be okay. So this is my daytime outfit. It's on a headband. I prefer the headbands. So and the reason why I went with this too is also it's rubberized. The GoPro roll cage is rubberized, so it's not going to take much of an impact if it does fall and hit. I don't think that's going to happen, but anything can happen, right? It's outdoors. So this is what I'm going to choose for my daytime, and nighttime will be the ABS plastic. And the reason I chose that one is because it has a cold shoe on the top, which I can put a sliding LED light for night use. So that is the reason why I'm going with different type of external cages for day or night. Okay, to slide your unit in, make sure that this port lines up with your on and off over here. This open port over here lines up with your buttons. Just slide it in, boom, slide that back in, and that's it. How's that look? That looks pretty solid, doesn't it? Check that out. This is going to be for nighttime use. Now, when I put on the roll cage, the soft wetsuit type material, the neoprene with the external part, this is going to be for daytime. All right. This here is going to be for night, and I'm going to show you why. It's because I'm going to use the LED Vid Pro. This is a really good unit. This is the M52. It says 50-foot radius, but really that's around me, so I figured 25 feet on the highest power setting. And believe me, at night this will light up the place. So you notice right here, I put the bracket, the screw and mount here. You can also put it over here to make it vertical, but I prefer it, instead of vertical, I prefer it horizontal. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! See how bright it is even during the daytime? Notice how this screws right into the cold shoe mount. Perfect, isn't it? I can just angle this back or forward, doesn't matter. It has 4 power settings. So that's my night setup. And this is so light. This is the reason why I don't go with the aluminum cage, because it's so much heavier. The aluminum cage is heavy, so it's good for vlogging, sturdy. But I went with the ABS plastic in this one because of the shoe. Now the shoe is not available on the GoPro roll cage, all right? Because this is soft. This is like neoprene. This here is ABS, so I'm going to use this for nighttime because of the light. And daytime, it'll be with this. That is what I recommend for accessories. Very simple to use, and I prefer this one because it's very inexpensive, and I've been using this for years and it works. All right.